Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett, and today I've got another budget-friendly unbagging from Amazon. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. You have no idea how much y'all mean to me. I appreciate every single one of you, and I just want to say thank you for all the people who has liked and commented on my videos. Also, anybody who has gone and either purchased something or liked something in my Etsy shop, it means a ton. And I hope y'all don't get tired of hearing me say this at the beginning of all my videos. I just want to make sure that all of y'all know that I appreciate all of you. So, let's just go ahead and get into the unbagging. Alright, so I purchased this one from Amazon, and it's not a gnome. For now, anyway. So, I seen this one and I thought it was cute, and it is a 30 by 40, and I gave $4.89 for this on Amazon, and it is a silky canvas, very pliable. It is poured glue, so let me roll it back and get some of the wrinkles out of it. And it's called the Old Lady. And if you can see, looks like she either has her hair in rollers or she has like a hat on. Pair of glasses. She's making a quilt. There's her sewing machine, and she's got some threads there. But I really liked this. It just kind of put me in mind of my grandmother. So I just grabbed it because, like I said, it is only $4.89. So before we get into the canvas, let's look at the toolkit. It is your average toolkit, and the little green boat is broke, but that's okay because I don't use these anymore, and I have got like a ton of them. And if y'all seen my craft room tour video, you'll know that I have plenty of these little things. I'd never throw anything away. I don't know why. But anyway, you get a pink pen, a pink thing of wax, and a green boat. Just your average toolkit. And it is a round, and on the drills it has the number of the canvas, which is right there, and then it's right there. It has on here that it's a 30 by 40, and I don't know what all that is, but they look to be individually bagged. And let's if I can find the opening. Alright. There are, let's see, 25 colors in this. And we'll just pull a couple of these out. The bags are numbered. They do have the DMC numbers are on the legend on the canvas, and it is also on the baggie right there, if y'all can see that. It's on the baggie. So that's pretty cool. So let's look at these colors. I'm not real worried about getting them out of order because I'm going to get them out of order anyway. Because what I do with these, when they're bagged up like this already, I don't kit up. I just leave them in the baggies. But what I do is I will go to the legend and I will draw the symbol, the letter, the number, whatever corresponds with that number of drills, I'll put it on the bagging. That way, like the kit that I'm doing right now came pre-bagged, and that's what I did, is I just, drew the corresponding thing from the legend onto the baggie. And then that way, while I'm going through here, and if I need this symbol, I can just reach over there, grab the bag, and there I go. I ain't got to look over here and say, okay, well, this is the hashtag and it's bag number 15. Go through the bags, find the bag 15. And I don't do all that. I just draw it on there. Simple. That's just how I do it. So, all right, let's look at this. Let me bring you down just a little. And I'm going to flip this over. And we have got, they're spilling out of my hand. We have a gray. We have some reds. Some more grays. It's not a very bright canvas, so most of these colors are going to be muted. Just earth tones, it looks like. I mean, there's some reds and there's a couple blues. But that's going to be about all of the color. And there's a green. But yeah, most of them are going to be just, that's a pinkish and some green. But yeah, they're mostly just dull, muted colors. Okay, and that's all of those. So, there's a stray drill. All right, so let's look. Like I said, there are 25 colors. You've got your thumbnail up at the top, your canvas number, and then the size, which is a 30 by 40. Has your legend on the top right, bottom left. And then it has on the bottom, it has your instructions. And then it has this over here, which I think that's just telling you how to open the thing. Very sticky. And the plastic on it's pretty thick. So let's look at the drill field. Doesn't look horrible, but it is going to be confetti heavy, especially in this quilt. But that's okay. I'm okay with confetti. But they do have the lighter numbers on the darker background. And then they have the darker numbers or symbols on the lighter background. So I like that. But yeah, I don't see any issues. Even in this dark spots of her hat. If my phone will focus. There we go. I can tell that those are 2s and C's. So it's not bad. So yeah, not a bad kit at all whatsoever. And like I said, it puts me in mind of my grandmother. I think that might be where I get my crafting genes, is my grandmother. She could do anything. She crocheted, she sewed, she used to make me clothes when I was a kid. She used to paint, she did ceramics, she did quilting, she did, let's see, what else did she do? She used to do cross stitch. I don't know what all she did. I know she used to do everything I just said, but she was really, really, really big into crocheting. She crocheted everybody in the family a blanket at one time. And then I know when the grandkids started having kids, she quilted all of, like my two children, she quilted them both a baby blanket. So, yeah, she did all kinds of stuff. Plus, she retired from Walmart from the craft department. So yeah, she loved to craft, and I think that's where I get mine at. So, but anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. That helps my videos get out there, and I appreciate every one of you. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.